You've now seen Google Analytics applied on a very practical level. We've now set up your opt-in page, sales pages, and your thank you or success pages. And we've also given you a set of metrics you can look at when you're analyzing the effects of the traffic that's coming to those pages. We've gone into detail on how you can set up split tests so you can begin to apply them to all of your offers. Now, the most important factor to remember is how you get the code onto your page. Now, remember that if you choose to use HTML pages or websites, you'll make sure that you need to place the code on all of your pages. Now, if you choose to use a page building system not associated with your site, you'll need to notate it correctly as well as the HTML code if you decide to measure the effect of a funnel. With this practical example you've been given, you're now ready to undertake Google Analytics and even go beyond what's been presented by finding more advanced features. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you either in another video or in another course.